Hey guys, Christopher Lewis here with the Lewis Real Estate Group. Are you wanting to buy a home right now, but the rates are too high? Are you worried that once the rates do come down, increased competition will lead to higher home prices? You're not alone. What if I told you that there's a way to get a much lower rate right now so you can buy while there's less competition and take advantage of the stabilizing home prices? Well, you'll want to watch the rest of this video. So you're probably wondering how you can get a much lower rate without having to put more money down or increase your credit score. The answer is a 2-1 buy down. A 2-1 buy down is a credit that the seller gives you that will pay your rate down over the next 2 years. The first year, your rate will be 2% lower, and the second year, your rate will be 1% lower. By the third year, you're financially ready to tackle the standard rates with significant savings banked. And the best part, if rates decrease, you can refinance and keep your lower rate. For example, if you bought a home today with an 8% interest rate, the first year your rate would be 6%, and the second year it would be 7%. In year 3, your rate will be back to 8%. So example, I have a client, we'll call her Jane. She's looking for a home in the 180,000 to 190,000 range. At the current interest rate, her payment would be around $1,600 a month. Now, this is too high for her right now, and so she's forced to look at a lower price point. With the 2-1 buy down, her first payment for the first year is now only $1,300 a month, and only $1,400 a month her second year. By the time she gets to the third year, her payment will be at the original $1,600. But this will allow her to get into a better home, prepare and save, and build equity for 2 years before she gets to her full payment price. So a 2-1 buy down is a great way to get a lower rate in the short term, giving you time for the rates to drop. Then if rates do drop, you can refinance to a lower rate. Now, there are some caveats to making this work for you. First, you'll be asking the seller for a lot of credits. That means you may have to negotiate a higher purchase price to cover some of those credits. But don't worry, the savings will be worth it. You'll need to have your down payment, although there may be programs that can help you with that if you qualify. You may also need to pay your own closing costs, as you're going to be using the seller credits to buy your rate down. So using a 2-1 rate buy down is a great way to buy a home now while keeping your payment affordable so you can start gaining equity for yourself instead of paying your landlord and watching them use your money to gain equity in their home. If you're interested in learning more, contact me today. Thanks for watching and have a great day.